What I want to talk about today is the four components of college funding. Now when we look at it, how do we deconstruct this whole maze of college funding? So we've broken it out into these four components. Number one is college selection. College selection has to do with where can we get in, where can we get financial aid, but it also has to do with what's a good social fit, and also obviously what's within our budget. Component number two is financial aid. Oh, financial aid. What we know is that it's got to be a part of the puzzle, because when we look at the costs, financial aid is a way that we basically get a discount on what we're going to pay. And there's two forms that comes in. It comes in the form of need-based financial aid, which is based on your family's socioeconomics, and also a merit-based aid, which is based on, you guessed it, the merit of your student. So we'll break down those in great detail, what you need to look for and what you need to focus on. The third component that we focus on is what we call tax aid. And if you think about taxes, it really is a tax scholarship when you look at it for college. So what things can you be doing with your income, with your assets, anything we can do to utilize our students' capacity? This is really the advanced planning we get into, particularly for families that will not qualify for need-based financial aid. So what things are out there for you that you can focus on that can ultimately reduce your cost of college? And the last component number four, is really looking at your personal resources. What is the best makeup and what's the best way for us to put together a comprehensive college funding plan? When we look at our income, our assets, tax strategies, college selection strategies, financial aid strategies, how do we put it all together to create a good plan that ultimately helps us save on the cost of college? Hope you'll join us in future sessions, because we're going to break down each of these components in great detail so that you're empowered to be a savvy consumer of college.